Today I have a 2017 Dodge Charger Hellcat. I just want to show you the location of the knock sensor. If you go down here, you don't have a shield for this car, but if you have a shield, you're gonna take it off. So number one or bank one knock sensor will be up there. You can see behind that motor mount bracket, and this is a 16 millimeter socket. So you're gonna sneak around, or may go from here to get it off. It's up to you, easy way. And the number two or bank two, you go to the other side, passenger side, behind also the motor mount bracket. You're gonna remove the shield. It's gonna be under it, 13 millimeter socket also. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. By the way, this is the crankshaft position sensor. Thanks.